Okay, so what I've done here is I've cleaned out the mounts, I've powder coated them, I made this little piece of fiberboard to center the mounting stud. I gave myself a little more clearance back here because the car is lowered a little, so that should compensate for camber a little bit. It's not a lot, it's not going to make that much of a difference, but I figured I'm here, I'm doing it, I may as well. So now I'm going to tape the back end of this, and then I will pour my polyurethane through here. I don't have a degasser or a vacuum chamber, so unfortunately there may be some trapped bubbles, but I'm not too concerned. This isn't a performance car, I just want stuff that's going to last, and the rubber these days seems to be terrible. It cracks right away. So we'll see how this works. I left the inside surface here and the pin sleeve just etched in my sandblaster with 80 grit aluminum oxide. I'm hoping that just helps the polyurethane to adhere to the walls and to the stud and make a better fit. So I'm going to do the other one, and then I'll tape it up and we'll pour, and we'll see how that works.